so essentiell.
Helium leak detection is essential for today's high-tech applications, but the traditional workflow is often complex and inefficient. A large helium cylinder and a manual spray gun are typically used with long hose connections and pressure adjustments done manually at the regulator, sometimes using your tongue or ear to gauge flow. This makes precise, efficient application difficult. The result? Unnecessarily high helium consumption and a workflow that's cumbersome, time-consuming, and costly. INFICON's Smart Spray solves all of these challenges in one compact solution. It integrates the helium source, spray gun, and remote control for the leak detector into a single, user-friendly device. This greatly improves mobility during operation. Smart Spray always dispenses only the necessary amount of helium, and the spray rate can be adjusted at the touch of a button. With no hoses, even confined spaces become easily accessible. The result: less time spent, lower helium usage, and leak detection that's simple, streamlined, and smart.